Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you tasty, healthy and delicious chocolate oats recipe. So let's get started. For this, heat 500 milliliters of milk in a non-stick pan by constant stirring. As the milk starts boiling, add in half cup of chocolate oats into it. In case you don't have chocolate oats, add in normal oats and also add in 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, or you can add any chocolate by grating it. So now cover it and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. So here you can see our delicious chocolate oats is just ready. Anytime you get bored with the normal diet that you take for weight loss, do give it a try. This will not gain you weight but is very delicious. Now I'm going to top it with some sliced banana, tutti frutti and dry fruits. This is just so tasty and amazing. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section. And if you like my recipes, do hit a like button and subscribe for more videos. Also share it with your friends and family. Bye. Allah Hafiz.